Well, YouTube, we're over the hills and through the woods, but we're not at Grandma's house today. But we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Got our stuff loaded up here. Wasn't allowed to drive our truck. Got Joey up there just hanging out.
Push me.
He's in a swing. He's in a swing mood. So, but the thing that's going on here today, folks, is this ash tree right here. We're gonna be taking it out. It goes right up over the top of this clubhouse here for hunting, little hunting shack. It's a pretty gnarly looking tree, really. Got a big limb, comes out over the field, right over the top of that clubhouse there. And the top is up here. Our plan is to cut these low limbs here. Joey's gonna get those low limbs. Joey's gonna get those low limbs right there, and he's gonna go on up this other hackberry and he's gonna peel the top off, and we're gonna pull this hackberry over, get it out of the way. Give us a little bit extra room to work this ash tree out here. So that's the job for today, folks. We're gonna bring you guys along. If you guys like the content, like what you're seeing, go ahead and smash that subscription button. Give us a like, leave us a comment. We'll catch you guys at the top. Good job, Joey. Yeah. There it is, folks. Finished product. We're gonna pull the rest of that stem there over. That'll give us enough clearance to work this ash tree right there. And we're gonna bring it down. We'll be back, folks. Well, YouTube, Joey did a fine job bringing that tree down, but we forgot to videotape it. So I guess you guys missed that part. Sorry about that. But that tree is right in there. That's what we're doing here. It's a no cleanup job. So everything we cut, we're just pushing in there. Push there with this from there, which you missed. Now I'm a poet and I didn't know it, see? But anyways, we're gonna get back up there, try to work it out. We're gonna rope that top maybe perhaps into this hackberry tree over here and just see kind of how it goes. So we'll catch you guys at the top.